Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to display your Google Slides presentation on pretty much any television or external display. Whether you're using a smart TV, a Chromecast, or just an HDMI cable, this 2026 walkthrough will cover the simplest methods. All right, first step, go ahead and open the Google Slides deck you want to show. Make sure the slideshow loads fully. Yeah, so nothing freezes once you're casting. Now, if you're using a Chromecast or a smart TV that supports casting, you can just use the built-in cast feature. Just open the browser menu, the three little dots, and tap Cast. You should see your TV's name pop up right away. When the cast panel appears, choose Cast tab. This sends only your Google Slides tab to the television, which usually gives you smoother animations and cleaner text. It's the option I recommend for presentations. Once you're connected, just hit Slideshow. The presentation will instantly appear on the TV. You can control everything from your laptop, arrows, animations, next slide, all of that. If you're not casting and you're using a simple HDMI cable instead, it works pretty much the same.